mixture of 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup salt, and 3 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap. And what I did is I've already taken some regular strength white vinegar and simmered it with the salt so it helps dissolve it into a solution, and then put it in with the soap so it's ready to go. And I've got 30% vinegar, and we're going to mix just a gallon of it today. It's been recommended that we wear gloves. Ooh, it's got a strong odor. Get this back on. And we want to give it a good mix. Okay, and let's go take care of the weeds. Then this is an area that really needs it. It got 1 spray of a Roundup type product that was fairly heavy concentrated, and this was a week ago, and it did not work. It sort of dampened them a little bit. So we're going to spray this, and then we'll take a look and see how it did. This is a dandy thistle that has invaded the neighbor's yard, probably from our yard, which came from the other neighbor's yard. We're going to hit this with the vinegar solution and see how that takes care of it. So here's an update. This is an hour after spraying, and they are definitely wilting. Yep, 2 hours after spraying. Look at these thistles from yesterday. They are just struggling. Look at that. Couldn't reach that one quite as well. But the ones I could reach, man, that's something else. And then this is really amazing. Look at this. This is was all green yesterday, and now it's really dying off and under great stress. That's something else.